Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hisham and you are learning vocabulary with Total Arabic. The Arabic words are color-coded. Blue for masculine, purple for feminine, black for anything that applies to both masculine and feminine, green for phrases, and orange for the plural. Now I will say the Arabic word and you will need to pause the video and try to write it down. When you finish, play the video and compare your writing with the one on the screen. If you are new to writing Arabic, Totally Arabic is offering a complete course for reading and writing Arabic. The link is in the description below. How do we write in Arabic? أنا. أنا in Arabic is on the screen, 3 letters. أنا. أنت. أنت is on the screen, 3 letters. أنت. أنتِ. So this is for the feminine. أنتِ. How do we write أنتِ? It's exactly the same as أنت. Just here we have كسرة here. أنتِ. هو. هو is on the screen. It has only 2 letters and it is referring to the masculine. هو. هي. Here is on the screen, only 2 letters, and it is referring to the feminine. هي. مرحبا. مرحبا is on the screen. It has 5 letters. مرحبا. الآن. الآن is on the screen. It has 4 letters. الآن. لماذا؟ لماذا is on the screen. It has 5 letters. لماذا؟ كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك or كيف حالك for the feminine is on the screen. The only difference is the حركة of the last letter. كيف حالك in purple for the feminine with كسرة, and كيف حالك for the masculine in blue. ما مهنتك or ما مهنتك. Both of them are on the screen. The only difference is the حركة of the last letter. ما مهنتك in purple for the feminine. ما مهنتك in blue for the masculine. تشرفت بمعرفتك or تشرفت بمعرفتك. Here they are on the screen, exactly the same expression. The only difference is the حركة of the last letter. So تشرفت بمعرفتك in purple for the feminine, and تشرفت بمعرفتك in blue for the masculine. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the Totally Arabic community. If you have any questions about what I have covered in this video, feel free to ask. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel as Totally Arabic has more to offer in helping you learn, grasp, and speak Arabic. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.